My name is Dr. Sayfan Borghini. I am teaching at the School of Multidisciplinary Studies, and I'm teaching at the moment 3 courses. I'm teaching with the Elad Segev biomimicry as a tool for innovation. I'm teaching bioethics, and I'm teaching a new course that we built, which is called Sense Making in Complexity. By sense-making, in a very simple way to look at it, we mean the continuous process of gaining insight in the situation in which we exist. So how to make sense of the environments, the social situations, the technological situations in which we exist. Complexity enters in terms of describing anew a world which is becoming ever more connected and presents multiple causes for everything that happens around us, has multiple actors, many different and conflicting points of view, and have different technologies that we are using to mediate our action in the world. The advantage, first of all, is that the class is even more motivated to present and speak in English and do good presentation. It's always good to have these exchanges. It's very interesting to see how different perspectives emerge in the class. And of course, it demands to be followed up closely. But all in all, I think it's a very enriching experience, both for the class and for the student.